3D model for the Fallout laser pistol has been around for a while on Thingiverse, and it's something that, well, I found years ago that I really wanted to print. Once we got the CR10, I wanted to get to it quickly, so we started printing it out. I did it at a normal, if not a fast quality, because I just really wanted to kind of see a prop in that size. I wasn't planning on going this far with it initially. It was too perfect to kind of not put more into. A lot of people have made this and it's always cool. Look up the AEP7, you see 3D printed models more than you do from the actual game. So I really wanted to have one in my hands, but there were three main things that I really wanted to incorporate to make this one a bit more unique. LEDs, give it some light, it's got to actually fire something when you pull the trigger. Sound, kind of got a interesting sound in game. It's not much of a laser pew pew, it's more of an actual kind of gun sound. And a solenoid. In the game, when you fire the pistol, it actually has recoil, which is hilarious because it's a laser, but it'd be kind of fun if it gave you that feel in real life. So working on the Fallout 3 laser pistol, this is components that are going to go in. And we've got a Arduino with a wave sound shield on top of it. Two speakers from some headphones that are actually pretty loud. We've got our actual laser diode, which is going to be a little bit of a laser effect. And then the solenoid, actually triggering it for 80 milliseconds, which is really short, but it's enough to give it its full throw. And then luckily the timing seems to be working out. So I'm not having to fight the timing too bad for everything. This triggers slightly before the sound, but I think with everything happening, you're not really going to notice too much of a difference. It's fairly complicated as it is. Fitting this all into the actual gun, this is one of the main body parts. That board does fit in there, just barely, but I think we're going to have to do some, we might have to disassemble this piece and actually cut this in half just to get better access. Because it goes in there, but it doesn't come out very easily.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
Actually trying to fit things correctly in this small space is going to be a real bear.
got a lot of the electronics done inside of here. Now all I have to do is paint it up, get the stripes on there, get a lot of the weathering done, and then it should be all done. It's a gun.
Got a small vinyl cutter and it was able to create the stencils for the caution symbols perfectly. Like every other one of our prop builds, we really want to do a stats block for the weapon. So we actually jump into Fallout 3, grab a screenshot, I give that to Nicole and she works her magic to make it a laser etchable file, and used a couple pieces of acrylic to make a really nice looking stat block.
It smells like spray paint.